Hello students, let's look at program number 4 from the syllabus for Java programming 6th semester, which is write a Java program to demonstrate use of a subclass. So as soon as the word subclass comes into picture, you need to understand that subclass, superclass, okay, two terminologies are part of this concept called inheritance. So this is something to do with inheritance. So it's a just need to show a simple program which shows what a subclass does. Okay. Now, what do you understand by a superclass and what do you understand by a subclass? Superclass is a class from which the subclass inherits, and subclass is the one which will take in all the functionalities of a superclass but can also add to it its own versions or its own methods and variables. So it's a specialized version of superclass. So let's look at a program here. I've taken a very simple program to explain this concept. Okay, so let's see this. I have two classes here. One is simple class called A, class A, and here I'm simply having a method which actually prints out a message. And then I have taken a class called inherit, which has the main function, main method. Also, it is extending this superclass A. So for your reference, this is my superclass from which my subclass, which is that inherit, will inherit the method. Okay, so this keyword extends, as you all know, is used for inheritance purposes. So now I have class inherit, which is my subclass, which is extending A. A is my superclass. So it means I can use the methods which are mentioned in A. Along with it, if I want, I can add a couple of more methods also. Okay. So now, after this, because it's not asking us to do anything more than demonstrate what a subclass is, we are not going to go more into depth. Okay, we have more programs which demonstrate multi-level inheritance and other types of inheritances, but this is a very simple program. So what we are going to do is have an object which is of type of this particular class, subclass, and using this object I'm going to call message. If it was a normal two classes like class A and you had class inherit, okay, I'll show you how it works. I'll show you also when it doesn't extend what will happen. So now if I were to run this, obviously using the object of this class only, I can still call on this message method here, simply because I'm inheriting A through inherit class. So when I run this, you can see this, I can see the message hello. Suppose I were to change this a bit and I'm not going to use the concept of inheritance, I'm going to remove this part and simply have it like this. So you can see I'm getting an error. Okay, I will not be able to use the object of this class to refer to a method of some other class, which is here. So in that case, I have to use the old methods. What is that? Create an object of class type A. Now, with the inheritance concept, I can create an object for this subclass and yet call superclass methods, which is message. So I'll bring that back. Extends A. Okay. So there are no errors now. It will run fine. So this is your fourth program, a very simple program which depicts or demonstrates the use of subclasses using the concept of inheritance. Thank you.